Welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. You may face difficulty when you like or love someone, and you want to attract his attention to make him loves you without realizing it. Never look at the ground when you talk to him. Trust yourself, and don't be weak in front of him. Focus in his eyes, during any dialogue between you and him. Do not move your hand a lot here and there, and do not turn your head right and left, as if you are looking for something. Be formally and gently polite. Be a good listener. Show your sense of humor and be yourself, but don't smile and laugh too much, with or without reason. Don't agree with him in everything he says, discuss with him to prove your opinion. Take a good care of what your look and your appearance. Be special in your action and make him always notice your absence. Pay close attention on every word you say. You may say inappropriate words and lose the attention of the person you love. You can sometimes ignore him, until he begins to take a real step. Notice when he do something new, like a new hairstyle or wear new clothes. Compliment them to make them aware of how much you pay attention to them. This will make him special. Focus in his eyes, during any dialogue between you and him.